welcome back to the channel today. Thank you for joining me. Today we're going to be doing unboxing of the Volkano Suburbia series. This was gifted to me by a buddy of mine and I am thrilled to get this thing working and get this installed in my car. So first off, we're going to do unboxing. We're going to have a look and see what is all in the box, and we're going to go through the device itself, check the specifications, and then in a later video after this we will do an installation from a permanent aspect point of view, where I will connect the, well not me, I'll have the ignition connected to the power cable for this so that it goes on with the ignition, and I have to keep it plugged into my USB port and have wires dangled all over the place. So that's the idea of it, that's the crux behind this, and let's get started with unboxing this thing. So let's open it up here first. Let's get into this box. Okay. Right. So before we continue opening, let's have a look at the box first. Standard box with your standard information in the back. Gives you the detailing of your size of your screen, what kind of card it takes, is it loop recording, does it have auto crash recording, and wide angle lens. This is a 720p HD video recording camera. It has a 140-degree camera lens, 2-inch LCD screen, and it records at 30 frames per second at 720 and 480. What we get in the box, let's have a look and see what we get inside the box. So let's open it up and let's pull out the box. Okay, first up, your USB cable, your little suction mount that will mount into your windscreen or the dash. You also have your cigarette lighter charging device, and your little dash cam. This thing is tiny. I expect it to be quite bigger, but it is quite small. You have 3 buttons on the side. You have your USB section over there for plugging in. You have your SD card, power button, and what looks to be a memory button. Okay. Your mic is over here at the bottom, and you have a reset button over there. Let's have a look and see if there's any power on this. Let's turn it on. And no, it has no power, so you would have to either charge it up or plug it into power. Let's see, is there anything else in this box? Okay, we've got your standard instruction manual. Nothing much in the instruction manual besides for your mounting, and that's it. Nothing else that comes in the box. So, in actual fact, there's no power on it, so we need to power that up. I'm going to try to get this mounted in the car directly, plugged into power supply, so I will go to a professional installer and have that done later in the week, and I will definitely be showing you guys what that entails. The video quality wasn't that excellent, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to exchange it for a different model. So I'm back here at the Cape Union Mart where this item was purchased, and I'm going to be exchanging it now for a different model and seeing what they have available. I'll check in with you guys again after this, and we'll see how that model works out. The exchange was done at Cape Union Mart in Canal Walk. I spoke to Gustav, the manager there. He was kind enough to assist me and give me a discount on the difference with the price, and the one I got is this one over here, the Volkano Freeway series. So as you can see, it's a different model to the one that I opened up earlier. It's 1080 not 720, and thanks to Gustav and his staff for the excellent service that they've given me. I will be unboxing this later on and plugging. Okay, so as you can see, it's the Freeway series. It's a 1080p Full HD dash camera that comes with all the bells and whistles that you would want from such a camera. Let's turn the box around and have a look at the rear section and see what comes in the box. It is 3-inch LCD screen and comes with a 150-degree wide angle lens, auto collision recording, it's got loop recording, and as you can see, it is still sealed. I haven't opened it yet, so let's get to opening this box up. Okay. We got it open. Let's get the camera out and let's compare it to the previous one. Okay. Right, as you can see, it is bigger than the previous one. Bigger LCD screen. It's a 3-inch screen. The SD card goes in over there. That's where it goes there. Your SD card, mini micro SD. You've got your buttons, your play button, and you've also got your function buttons over there. You got your lock button, your menu button, your power button. That's the power button over there. And you got your lock button, so that button, and your menu button. And then you've got your HDMI port. You plug in your mini HDMI, and then obviously your USB charging port. And with that you get your standard USB cable. And you also get your suction cup, which is a mini suction cup. And you've got your cigarette lighter charging unit that I won't be using, so I'll just leave it in the box. Okay, so that's basically all that comes in the box. As you can see, the dash cam is now active in the car. I've put the suction cup behind the rear view mirror. As you can see over there, it's stuck in the window behind the rear view mirror, and the cable runs down untidily all the way to the cigarette light charger USB socket port. So the dash cam is set on a 3-minute loop time, so it will record for 3 minutes and then it starts all over again, so that way it doesn't continuously record and then just wipes my whole memory card out, so it loops continuously. I've got collision alert on. It's charging at the moment. Microphone is on, and as you can see over there, it shows you that it's on a 3-minute loop and it's recording. There is some features in here that I need to check. There is a parking record feature that I haven't checked out yet, I haven't tested out yet. There is a photo mode as well, and once you're in a collision you can lock the file so it doesn't overwrite it. It does not come with a memory card. You need to have a memory card purchased separately. On the side we've got the function buttons, as well as on the side the function buttons over there, and that's your memory card slot as I showed you earlier on. Functionality of this is quite good. I'm not sure what that basically is there. I still need to go into that. If anybody of you watching this has one of these dash cams and know exactly what that is, do leave a comment at the bottom and let me know what it is. Now this cable over here will be tucked away here. Put it in here, run all the way down here into the ignition. That whole process of me doing the tucking of the cable under the headliner and direct to the ignition will be in a later video. That will be probably in a week's time or 2 weeks time when I do that, after you guys have watched this, or as you're watching this, it is a week from now that that will be done. So yeah, that's it for the Volkano dashcam unboxing, and as you saw, I got me a different version. It is not the Suburbia but the freeway version. I'll catch you guys in the next video, so stay tuned and thanks for watching.